Tucked into a quiet cul-de-sac in Tualatin, this custom-built home offers the perfect balance of thoughtful design, comfortable living, and beautiful surroundings. Located near parks, schools, and everyday conveniences, this showcase home featured on the Street of New Beginnings is designed for both relaxation and entertaining. Inside, nearly 3,000 square feet offers 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a spacious bonus room. Step inside to soaring vaulted ceilings and light-filled living spaces. The living and dining rooms make an elegant first impression, centered around a floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace and framed by large windows that bring in natural light. Fresh interior paint and beautifully refinished Brazilian cherry hardwood floors add warmth and sophistication throughout the main living areas. The beautifully landscaped backyard is designed for quiet evenings and outdoor gatherings with a covered patio. The open layout is ideal for entertaining with an inviting, well-appointed kitchen, stainless steel appliances, abundant storage, and a butler's pantry. The main floor primary suite is a private retreat with its own fireplace and direct access to the backyard, complete with a water feature. Unwind in the jetted tub or in the newly remodeled LuxStone shower. Upstairs, you'll find a spacious bonus room, complete with a wet bar, beverage fridge, and built-ins, plus additional bedrooms. The expansive backyard is a versatile outdoor space with mature trees, raised garden beds, and extensive patio space for year-round entertaining or relaxation. Additional highlights include a newer furnace, air conditioning, and roof, along with a 3-car garage and convenient access to nearby parks, shopping, and great schools. A beautifully crafted home in a wonderful Tualatin location, ready for its next chapter. For more information or to schedule your personal tour, please contact Shelley Rath with Premier Property Group.